System 1 loaded.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For this video, we are going to talk about Custom Subnet Mask in Subnetting Process. We are now going to get the custom subnet mask of this network address with the given number of needed subnets and the number of usable hosts. But before that, we are going to get first the address class and the default subnet mask for an easier way. So, since the first octet of our network address is 217, it is in the range of class C, which is 192 to 227. So we are just going to write here class C. So since it is class C, the default subnet mask will be 255.255.0. Now, we're going to get the custom subnet mask. In getting the custom subnet mask, we're going first to write down our network address, which is 170.10.10. Then convert the host address into octet. So 0. There we are. Then now, we're going to write down the decimal value from right to left. Next thing we are gonna do is write down the number of subnets from left to right. The next step is write down the number of hosts from right to left. Now we have this table. We are now gonna look for the number of needed subnets, which is 13. So in this line, in the number of subnets, we're gonna find the number 16. But in this case, there is no specifically number 13. So we have to find the nearest number from after the 13, which is 16. So we're just gonna encircle it. Then the next thing is the number of usable hosts, which is 13. So we're just going to do the same as we did in the number of needed subnets. So encircle this, the nearest number after the 13. Now we're gonna draw a straight line in the middle of the two encircled value. Then we have this table. So, in getting the custom subnet mask, we're just gonna look for this value before the straight line. So we have these 128, 64, 32, and 16. We're just gonna add it all. So it is equal to 240. So there you have our custom subnet mask. So we can now fill this blank. So 255.255.240. there you have it, the custom subnet mask of this network address. So now, the next thing we're gonna do is to get the 6th subnet range. Let's just insert it here. So, in getting the subnet range, we're going to apply the pattern in rules of addition of the binary and bits borrowed. So we're just gonna simply then follow this rule. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. We don't have to go a further more, since we are just going to find the 6th subnet range. So we're just simply going to multiply with this number. So here in the first, we're just going to write our IP address with network address rather. So since it is 0, 16 times 0 is 0, so we are going to write here is 0. So in the next step, just follow it here. 16 times 1 equals to 16. Then the next thing is here, write it again, then 32 times 1 is equal to 32, then 16 times 0 it equals to 0. Just add the value, so it is going to be 32. Next, since there are 2 1, we are just gonna simply add these 2. 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. So since it is 1, there's only 1 1, and it is in the 64 value. We're just gonna add 64. There is 2. It will be 64 times 64 plus 60 equals 3. So next, here, I'm going to do 17. So since there is also 2 1, we're just gonna simply add 64 and 32, and it would be 96. So in getting the range, it is simple now, as we look for the value of the host address, which is 16. So we are going to write 50, since in this line it is indicated that it is 16, so we are going to 50. Same goes with others. 31 handles inside. since we don't have the next binary, we're just gonna count from here to the 6th, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be the 6th subnet range. So we're just gonna write it down here. 217 at 802 217. So there you have it. We are now able to get the 6th subnet range. That's all for this vlog. Thank you and have a nice day.